Hello and welcome to our Blender course. This is the start of our course which is focused on beginner who starting to learn Blender and don't know where to start. So this course will take you through the journey of understanding the basic concepts of Blender to modeling 3D models on your own and animations and rendering it. So let me briefly explain about the Blender first. Blender is a free open source 3D program that covers the entire 3D pipeline from modeling, texturing to animations and rendering. So it could be very overwhelming for beginners who starting to learn. So I will be explaining it by concept, so it's easier for you to understand. So after this goal, you will be get ready to get into more advanced and complicated 3D step Blender can offer. So let's start by installing Blender and send beginner-friendly add-on first. So to install Blender, you have to go to the blender.org website and then go download it. And you can choose the version that is suitable for your operating system. So I will be installing Blender again because as you already see it, I have already installed the Blender. The installations of Blender is not that different from any other program. But after you have finished it, Blender will ask you to import some settings. So I would suggest you to select the select with left and then for spacebar, use the sub instead of play. Okay, because selection with left mouse button is more familiar for computer user. And then spacebar or such function is very powerful and convenient too. I will show you why. So let's say you want to move the cube, but you forgot the shortcut for the move function. So you can press spacebar and then start move. And then you will see move function here. So I will do it again. You can press spacebar and then move. And then you can move the cube. Also another thing is when you start the move, it will show you where this function is. So it shows object, transform, and move. So we can find it here, object, transform, and move. So this is a very powerful function. So let's start by installing some add-ons and changing some settings. If you choose the wrong setting at mine, and don't worry, we can still change it by going to the edit, preference, and then keymat. You can select with mouse button to left, and then use the spacebar action to sub. And then we will install some add-on. First one is a photo. And to install add-on, you can just check the box, and it will automatically install it. And then next one is a no wrangler. Okay, you can check it out. And then next one is a copy attribute menu. Okay. So after you have installed it, we are ready to get started in the Blender. So in the next chapter, I will explain about the Blender UI and how to navigate in the 3D space, and then we can start creating some amazing 3D model.